Hello, welcome to an inspiring math video. I am Francisco Figueroa. In this video, I'll be covering binomial expansion. In this example, we have x plus 5, x plus 1. So the process to solve this binomial expansion is first x times x, which is x squared, followed by the outer, which is x times 1, which is 1x. Then we do 5 times x, which is 5x. Those two are the inner. And then the last is 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Now it's very important that we simplify the middle terms. Here we have 1x plus 5x. So 1x plus 5x. So 1x plus 5x is 6x. That's positive. X squared plus 6x plus 5. In example number 2, we have x plus 2, x plus 4. X times x, which is x squared. Then x times 4, which is 4x. 2 times x, those are the inner. That is 2x. And the last, 2 times 4, that's 8. Remember, we need to always simplify the middle terms. 4x plus 2x plus 4x plus 2x. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and that's positive. The binomial expansion will always give a trinomial. X squared plus 6x plus 8 is a trinomial, has 3 terms. In our third example, we have x minus 5 and x minus 2. These are still like signs. We have a negative 5, a negative and a negative. In this example, x times x is x squared, x times negative 2, negative 2x. We need to be careful with the signs. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x, and negative 2 times negative 5, which is positive 10. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive. We simplify the middle terms, negative 2x and negative 5x. Signs are alike, so we add, we keep the sign. So our final answer here is x squared minus 7x plus 10. The fourth example is x minus 1, x minus 3. X times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. And negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. Simplifying the two middle terms, negative 3x and negative 1x, that signs are alike, we add and we keep the sign, so that's negative 4x. X squared minus 4x plus 3. Now we want to focus on unlike signs or different signs. So in our fifth example, we have x plus 8 and x minus 1. So first of all, x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. 8 times x is positive 8x. And 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Simplifying the middle terms, that gives us negative 1x and positive 8x. Signs are different. When signs are different, you subtract. So when you subtract 1 and 8, or 8 and 1, we get 7. If we were to use the absolute value of these, 8 is bigger, so we take the sign of 8, which is positive. X squared plus 7x minus 8 is our final answer in this case. In our sixth example, we have x plus 2 and x minus 5. So first, x times x, which is x squared. The outer, x minus 5, x times minus 5, that gives us negative 5x. Then the inner, 2 times x, positive 2x. And the last, 2 times negative 5, that's negative 10. So we simplify the middle terms, negative 5x and positive 2x. Signs are different. When signs are different, you subtract and you take the sign of the larger absolute value. So we subtract, we get 3. Which number, if we cancel these, which of these has the largest absolute value? Well, 5. And the sign of 5 is negative. So x squared minus 3x minus 10 is the answer. In our seventh example, we have x minus 9, x plus 2. So we multiply x times x squared. X times 2, that gives us 2x. Negative 9 times x, that's negative 9x. Negative 9 times 2, that's negative 18. Simplifying the middle terms, plus 2x minus 9x. Here signs are different. When signs are different, you subtract and you take the sign of the larger absolute value. So when we subtract, we get 7. We take the sign of the larger value. This one has a larger absolute value because 9 is bigger than 2. So the sign will be negative. X squared minus 7x minus 18 will be the result. In our 8th example, we have x minus 4, x plus 6. So first, x times x is x squared, x times 6 is positive 6x, negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times 6 is negative 12. Simplifying the two middle terms, plus 6x minus 4x. Signs are different, so we subtract. Which number is bigger, the 6 or the 4? The 6 is bigger, and that 6 is positive. So x squared plus 2x minus 24 is the final answer. Well, this is binomial expansion when we have like signs and when we have unlike signs. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned it. Thank you. I shall see you next video.